I'm done. I'm done with shitty SEO. I'm done with broken WordPress websites. I'm done fixing my clients' phone answering system so they don't miss any sales that we bring them. I'm done. From today on, it's AI or die. From today on, we will only work with clients that switch to Green Lotus Smart Site and AI services. You will get a smart website that is designed to rank 5 to 8 times faster on Google, ChatGPT, and Gemini. You will get access to 4 AI agents. One of them is an AI phone receptionist to make sure that you answer every single call. Another one is a text AI agent to make sure that if a client is trying to reschedule an estimate or there's a problem on site, that you respond in good time and maintain that client satisfaction. And AI for reviews to make sure that you respond to your clients in time based on the actual review or send the review requests. And a social media AI agent to make sure that you engage with your social media DMs in good time and maintain that client satisfaction. And you know what? The best part, that you get all of this on a smartphone, and your meaning of a smartphone that your business can have without switching the existing smartphone that you currently have. All Green Lotus clients will have access to our smartphone app. You can download it on your Android or Apple. You get all-in-one inbox communication in one spot. Why would you be logged into 5 different apps to maintain your clients' inquiries? Imagine your WhatsApp, your SMS, your Facebook, your Instagram, your email, just in one single app, which is just a touch of a thumb button. You can control all of these communications. SMS marketing, people don't open emails as much anymore, but SMS open rates is north of like 90%. Why we're not doing this as a basic practice for any business marketing? Reputation management, you can request reviews from good experienced clients with a click of a button, and no longer trying to just get my clients high ranks on Google. I'm trying to fix the entire marketing and sales strategy. At this point of time, whether you adapt your business and use AI technologies to improve the quality of your service and the way you service your clients, or your business might literally die. Do you remember what happened to the Yellow Pages? 20, 30 years ago, the Yellow Pages was a bigger company than Google. They had more information than what Google had. They had all local business information in every city way before Google did. And guess where they are today? Do you remember even seeing a Yellow Pages book anymore? We're at the same point that Kodak decided to continue with regular photos and not adapt to digital imaging. Your business, if taking early steps to adapt to these AI technologies, you might survive. Doing business will be extremely different in the next 6 to 12 months. I anticipate seeing changes in the way that we do business in every aspect, adapting to AI technology. Even if what I'm talking about is not relevant to you, you need to find what works for your industry. If you're a lawyer, find an AI designed specifically to go through legal documents and find you certain information. Things like this. It's now or never. We are at this point, AI or die.